itong mga foreign fund na to, since sila ay pension fund, so they believe that ICT will be a good long-term investment. Okay?
Every analysis or all analysis is a work in progress. When we say work in progress, we are analyzing things and forecasting the market based on the current variable. So, kapag nagkaroon ng change in variable, for example, nagkaroon ng mga other news or development, so kailangan mag-change ka ng strategy and mag-change ka ng forecast during weekday.
Kung bago pa lang kaibigan sa ating channel, huwag kalimutan hit ang subscribe button and bell all para updated ka sa mga next upcoming videos natin. Pwede mo rin i-explore yung ating channel. Marami diyang mga free learning resources like yung ating mga free webinar. Ayan, meron na tayong episode 7, 6, 5, and so on. Marami dito mga learning materials. Para mas mabilis ma-access, pwede mo rin check yung playlist. Meron tayo itong complete playlist ng mga free webinars natin. Meron yung mga top learning resource materials. And then, kung gusto mong sumama sa ating Facebook group, add lang kayo sa group na to. Search nyo lang and then join Philippine Stock Market 101. Pwede kayong sumama sa ating GC. Add nyo lang ako sa aking Facebook and then i-PM nyo ako para may advocate sa ating GC.
Hello everyone, kumusta ang ating trading? So ngayon, i-discuss natin ang one of the biggest IPO, which is the ICT Converge. Okay, so we have an updated news last October 8 that the IPO of Converge from 24 will be reduced up to 19 pesos per share. Okay, so actually this is a good news kasi medyo bumaba yung price niya. Okay, so later on i-discuss natin kung is it good to buy or trading ba ito or long-term hold. Okay, so before that, discuss muna natin yung Asian broadband penetration. So para makita natin kung in the long run is may opportunity ba for ICT Converge. Okay, so based on this graph, Vietnam has the largest among Asian, which is the 58.5% yung kanilang penetration. So marami na silang nasiserve. Okay, pero comparing sa Philippines, we only have 14.1%, which means that for ICT Converge, so malaki pa yung opportunity nila na mag-grow as a company kasi 14% pa lang yung penetration ng broadband sa Philippines. So marami pa silang pwedeng maging client na hindi kailangang agawin from Globe and Tel. And then plus pa yun kung makukuha nila yung ilang client or yung market shares from Globe and Tel. Okay, so in the long run, makikita natin dito is may chance, okay? May chance ang ICT Converge. Okay, so ngayon naman i-discuss din natin yung mga ibang bagay pa. Okay, so in terms of revenue, ito yung sinasabi natin na may chance. Okay, so ang revenue ng Tel is data. Nakita natin yung voice and SMS is mahina na, yung about mga load sa chat, okay? Load sa pang text and call. Mas malaki na yung data, okay? So from 73 billion, naging 94, 2008, and 114 to 2019. And then si Tel naman is from 69, naging 81 billion, up to 106 last 2019. So apparently malaki yung kanilang mga increase in revenue. Okay? Pero kung mapapansin natin si Fiber ICT or si Converge, since bago pa lang siya sa market, for the last 3 years is almost double. Okay? Almost double yung kanyang growth. Kasi nga, marami siyang nakukuhang market share from Globe and Tel and yung mga unserved areas. So, nakukuha nila yun. However, ang isang difference is wala siyang voice and SMS. Okay, wala siyang cellphone. Puro lang siya data. Okay? Pero looking at these figures, so from 3 billion naging 5 billion in a matter of 1 year, and then from 5 naging 9 billion, so almost double. So meaning in 2020 possible is around 17 or 16 billion yung pwede niyang maging earnings, diba? Parang ganon kasi every year is double kasi continuous yung kanilang expansion. So in terms of growth, malaki yung chance for ICT Converge. Okay? So ngayon naman is i-check natin yung kanyang fundamentals. Okay? Okay, so ngayon i-compare naman natin yung fundamentals ng Globe, Tel, and ICT para malaman natin kung saang level ngayon si ICT. Okay, so nung una is ang offer niya is 24. Okay? Mapapansin natin at 24 pesos, ang PE ratio niya is 71.22. Kung i-compare mo yan kay Globe and Tel, Globe has only 12.61 dun sa last closing price na 2,000, and TEL is 12.44 dun sa last closing price na 1,299. So meaning sobrang overvalued naman itong si ICT or Converge at 24 pesos per share. So sobrang mahal niya, okay? Okay, so another is kung titingnan natin yung market cap, okay? So yung market capitalization is halos nakadikit na siya dun sa dalawang incumbent, di ba? So kung mapapansin natin, ang market cap nito is 272 billion. Ito namang isa is 289 billion si TEL. ICT is 180 billion. So halos na malapit na siya. Now, kung i-check natin yung ito, so ang liit lang naman ng earnings niya, 3 billion, 5 and 9 billion compared sa 106 and 114. So parang hindi justified, okay? Hindi justified yung kanyang market cap based dun sa kanyang revenue. Kasi ang liit naman ng revenue niya compared sa Globe and Tel. So lumalabas sa ganyang area, sa ganyang computation na overvalued talaga siya at 24 pesos. Okay? O kita sa market cap and evidence din sa PE ratio. Okay? And then, kung titingnan naman natin yung fair value, okay, so check natin ang fair value nito. Okay, so ang fair value ng Globe is 2,390. Okay? May upside kang konti. Si TEL is 1,640. Yun, medyo malaki yung upside. And then si ICT, ang fair value niya based sa computation ng mga institutions is only 21 pesos. Okay? So, pag binili mo ito at 24, so lugi ka na kaagad. Okay? So, the good news is, yung nga pinakita ko sa inyo sa kanina is bumaba siya from 24 to 19. Okay? So, let's see. Nung naging 19 pesos siya, tingnan natin kung anong pagbabago. Okay, so bumaba yung kanyang PE, naging 56 na lang. And then, ang kanyang market cap is naging 142 billion na lang. Okay? So, at this level, lumalabas na kung ang fair value niya is 21, so may konting upside na lang tayo sa midterm. When we say midterm is around maybe next year, so konti na lang yung upside natin. Okay? And ang PE niya is 56 pa rin, so sobrang taas pa rin. Okay? Pero other institutions are considering 19 pesos as justified. Okay? Given na ang PE niya is 56, tingin nila basically is justified yung 56 for ICT kasi mataas nga kasi yung chance niya ng growth, okay? Kasi kasi maliit pa lang yung company. So marami pa silang nakukuha ang mga bagong customers. So institutions are thinking na at 19 pesos is justified given na malaki yung potential for growth. Okay? So yun naman yung reason. Okay, so since alam na natin na this is at least a good price, okay? And may upside naman tayo in the long term or mid term, although hindi ganun kalaki, no? So tingnan naman natin yung kanilang magiging performance sa market, okay? So ang float nito is 23%. Okay? So ngayon naman i-compute natin from 23% market float. So tingnan natin kung ilan yung magiging volume or magiging float sa open market. So i-times natin. Okay, so 32 billion, almost 33. Okay, so yan yung laki ng float niya. Okay, 33 billion. So masyadong malaki pa rin yan, di ba? So kung iisipin natin, ang CICT or fiber is kasing laki ng mga blue chips. Actually, pang number 11 siya sa mga big caps. Pero hindi pa siya blue chips. Okay, so masyadong mabigat itong stock na to. So ang magiging performance niyan sa stock market upon opening is kung ang iniisip niyo is katulad ng di ba? Kung ang iniisip niyo is parang ganito ang mangyayari. Okay, so parang piso in offer tapos umabot ng hanggang 300% above. So hindi ganun yung magiging expectation natin, okay? So, hindi siya magiging kamukha ni kasi ang laki ng kanyang market cap. You remember, ang magiging kamukha nito is mostly katulad ng Home, okay? Kasi isa to sa mga malaking IPO, around I think mga 27 or 35 billion yung kanyang market cap nung nag-open. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo yung IPO ng All Home is flattish lang. Okay? So, hindi siya ganun kalaking gumalaw. The number one reason is mabigat yung stock. Okay? Mabigat yung stock. So, hindi kayang paliparin. Imagine nyo, ang float niya is 23% ng 142 kung mag-o-offer siya sa 19, di ba? Since ganun kalaki yung float, so 32 billion yung kailangan para mapagalaw yung stock ng ceiling. Okay, so parang ganun yung principle. So ito yung ina-expect nating galaw ng ICT Converge kapag nag-IPO na. Hindi siya katmukha ni MM. Okay, so at least alam niyo na yung expectation ngayon. So one more thing na dapat nating malaman about this IPO is that yung kanilang primary shares and secondary shares. So, sa primary shares nila is 480 million lang. Okay? Ang secondary shares is 1 billion. So, ano ba itong primary and secondary? Primary means ito yung fresh na shares na i-open sa market. Yung secondary naman, ito yung mga dating shares na. Meaning, ito yung hawak ng mga directors na i-offer nila sa kanilang IPO. In other words, ang hindi maganda dito is parang nagbenta lang yung mga directors and company ng kanilang shares at a premium price. Okay, binenta nila sa premium price na para ibigay sa mga investors sa PSEI. Okay, so yun yung hindi dito maganda. Another thing is yung Warburg Pincus invested sa kanila ng 225 million last September lang 2019. So, syempre, at i-discount ito kaya sila nag-invest. So, kung mapapansin natin or kung iisipin natin, parang malaki yung kikitain nung kanilang investor na yon kasi binili na nila sa discount or nag-invest sila sa discount. And then ngayon, sa offering is malaki yung kanila agad increase in investment. Okay? Okay, so that's all. Yan yung mga dapat nating malaman about sa IPO ng Converge ICT. So at least now we have an idea kung ano yung magiging galaw niya. Okay? For the long run, ang maganda dito is dahil nagbaba siya ng price is maraming gustong pumasok na investor, foreign investors like Canadian pension fund, yung US-based fund, yan, yung Macquarie, okay? Magna New Frontiers Fund. So maraming foreign fund na gustong mag-invest kasi nga they are looking and believing na may malaking chance for fiber ICT na magkaroon ng hypergrowth sa telco sector. Okay, so meaning itong mga foreign fund na to, since sila ay pension fund, so they believe that ICT will be a good long-term investment. Okay? So that's all. I think nagkaroon na kayo ng magandang idea. So, ang idea nito is more of a long-term investment. Okay? Good siya in the long run, pero hindi siya pwedeng quick trades lang. Okay? So, that's all. So, I think nagkaroon na kayo ng idea. So, this is a trading buy and long-term buy. Okay? So, that's all. If you have any question, comments or suggestions, i-PM nyo lang or i-chat nyo lang dyan sa baba. And then, pag-usapan natin sa mga next episode. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you learned para sa Converge IPO.